Car, get back, Car. Ah, I don't need to do that.
You need to do that. Well, at least she's not trying to get the rebound.
Is this 101 or 2? And they're going to press the heck out of us here, too. Well, we got 3 guards in there, so we'll see how it goes. Miss. Good box, Faith. Swing. Strong. That's it. Way to keep it alive. Carly. Oh my gosh. How did she pull that off? That would have been a long walk home if she missed that.
That's the redeemer.
Oh my gosh. Where's Kathy? Good job, Meg. Good job, Meg.
Gotta be ready, Meg. Ready to go, Meg.
Be strong, next level. Be strong. Be strong. Help her. All right, good job. Good in, good in. Remember, you guys can call timeout if you get stuck, right? Find out how many timeouts you have. Carly, if you guys get stuck, you can call timeout yourself, right? Possession of the ball is what's important. Possession of the ball. That looks nice. Good job, Juliet. Carly, just keep her in front, Car, on D. Just keep her in front. Don't need to reach, don't need to make steals. Good job, Juliet. Stay back, Car, stay back. Lots of help, lots of help. Rip it, rip it, rip it out.
Don't get the ball up.
Guards, you gotta get the ball, guards. Go, Car, go long. Go hard, go hard. Let's get him, Car, let's get him. Faith, just rip and pivot, rip and pivot.
Give up the ball way too soon.
Yeah, just gotta pivot and rip, yeah.
You don't have to give it out.
Now we're in 2 shots. Come on, Carly, put this on ice, babe. Come on, Car, let's get him, Car. All right. Hustle back, get back. Help, lots of help.
They didn't start the clock? What was that?
Oh, was that no clock?
They didn't start the clock. Get it free, get it free. Set up for your free, set up for free.
Don't worry about the ball, Carly, just focus on her. Box! Carly, help Faith on the box out. Help Faith. Pinch down. Jules, you got to shoot her by yourself. What's he got? What he got? Ah, she stepped out. All right. Yeah. We should probably get the darn ball and call a timeout or something. Otherwise, it's going to be just insane. Stay with, Car. Stay with, Car. Stay with, Car. Get it up, get it up. Hustle back, Faith. Hustle back, Faith. Hustle back. Look opposite. There's Faith. There's Faith. Drain the clock. Nice, isn't it? Man. It's always hated about coaching when you're coaching and you call some clock and says, it would happen all the time.
That was a good call. Carly definitely put her hip on that girl. Didn't allow her to get the ball.
Job, Jules. Nice, babe. All right.
Finish nice.
I know it's nice too, but I know you guys weren't in there, but 4 of our 5 were our girls, you know?
Yeah, I know.